If you are using Office 365 version of Team, or if you're using an organizational account, then on the left side you can see Teams as an option. So Teams is like a space where a group of people can join so that they can work together time and again. But if you're using an organizational account, you are limited to adding members of that organization only. So over here you can see that you can create a team or you can join a team with the code right here. So in this lesson, let's focus on joining, and over here it says enter a code. You can also go around and then search out for teams that may be public right here and join the teams, and you can also use invitation links from other organization members as well. But in this example, I'm just going to go around and paste the code that I have been given by other team member. So once you go around and click on join team now, by using that code, what happens is that I am in the test team, as you can see right here, and I am in a team right here. So if I were to go around over here into, let's say for example, activity right here, you can see that I have been added to this particular team right here, and on my team you can see the team right here. So if I were to go back right here, you can see the list of your teams that you may have, and you can also go around and add yourself to multiple teams as well. Let's say for example, I'm going to go around and get another invitation code as well, and then I'm going to go around and add another team over there as well. So to do that, I'm just going to go around and I have another code again. So now what I can do is I can go around onto teams right here and click on join on or create team, and I'm simply going to go around and paste the code right here, and once I do that, immediately I am joined in onto another team, as you can see right here. So if I were to go on to my teams right here, now you can see that there's another team as well, and on all teams you can see all of the teams that you are a part of, just like this. And that is how you can join in teams inside of Microsoft Teams, that is Office 365 version of Teams. And hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.